In this video, we'll be adding social icons to our WordPress posts. So if you log into your WordPress site and you go to your post, go ahead and edit that. And I'll do it manually, and then you can always make a reusable block if you do it every time. But for this post, the first time I'm going to do it, I'm going to use the Spectra plugin because it has a little bit more options. So go to the bottom or the top of your post, hit a new block, go to Browse All, type Social. And if you have the Spectra plugin, you have this blue one. This is the one that comes with it, so you might be fine with that one. I'll do that in a sec. But if you use the Spectra plugin block, you'll see it gives you a few more options. I already have these four. You can select the preset here. You can align them here under content. You can align them vertically. You can also stack, and then you go to style and you can adjust the size. You know, get fancy with the colors and the spacing. So that's why I like the Spectra plugin, because it gives you a few more options. Hit the plus to just add another icon. Click it, and then go ahead and choose your social network here, change the icon here. So you have those options with the Spectra Social. And then once you get that done, select the entire block, which when you click one of these, you're doing one icon, and then you go up one level for the entire block. And then you can go ahead and create a reusable and just call it, you know, My Social. And then every time you want to put that into your post, you could just do that, or just have a consistent, you know, one of those templates that you use for a reusable block. Just group the entire post, have this at the start or at the bottom of it. And then every time you make a new post, just ungroup it as your first step, and then you can reuse the same layout every time. So we made a My Social reusable block, and then every time you don't necessarily have to convert to regular, but if you don't want them all to change every time you change one on a post, just convert it to regular. And then also, let's go ahead and do the other one just to try it out. Social icons here. This came with my WordPress. You have to click each one individually. So you type in the social network that you want, and then click it, add the address there and commit it, and then click the plus here to add another one. Click it, enter the address, commit it, and then add the plus. And let's say we want Facebook, search for that. So, you know, this one's not bad either. Has a few different styles over here on the side. And that's pretty much it for adding these social icons to your post. If you found this helpful, let the algorithm know, and I'll see you next time.